Good morning. We're on the USD CAD this morning with Proteus Ultra, looking to get into a multi-time frame and leading analysis proven position. Right now, we're looking at all the time frames telling us that we are going long. We've just switched from the M1 to the M5 here, and everything is set, bouncing off of the highest probability long reversal zone as well as the next highest level shown by ITM Proteus Ultra. So we're in a very sound position to go for this $1,000 high trade here on the USD CAD for a 75% payout. Once we're into the trade, let's just expand the chart here to get a better view. So we're into the trade now, and what we'll do is wait for the trade to expire, which is in 30 minutes time at 8:10 a.m. GMT, and we'll come back to you just before or at expiry to show you the results. All right, back again. The trade has expired with a $1,750 gross return for a net return of $750. The trade skimmed along the entry point before eventually expiring in the intended direction that was projected in advance by Proteus Ultra for a $750 net return or gain. Multi-time frame analysis followed by a leading indicator, all of which is provided inside Proteus Ultra on one chart is an extremely powerful tool to have. There are a lot of traders who trade just multi-time frame confluence and have much higher equity rates, growth rates than any other strategy, purely because you're basing it off of price action, you're basing it off of multi-time frame analysis, long-standing strategies that have existed for a long, long time. What Proteus Ultra does is not only show you the multi-time frame approach all on one chart, regardless of time frame, you have a very powerful leading indicator on the right-hand side that tells you when the most appropriate time to enter is. Now, that is the most important point in any form of trading on any asset class. Your entry timing has to be close enough to spot on. You will never have spot on entry timing. But the advantage you have as a trader with Proteus Ultra is that you get the multi-time frame confluence metrics that tell you what's happening across time frames, and you have the leading indicator telling you to sit tight until it also lines up with the multi-time frame confluence metrics, suggesting that that is a high probability entry point. Having all of this analysis before you done for you is a much better, more sound alternative to the hundreds of solutions out there that simply tell you go long this, go short this, which is inadequate for any trader's purposes and does no justice to the trader because you really don't have any idea what's going on. Whereas with Proteus Ultra, it is a non-black box approach. You have everything available to you, and it essentially shows you every little bit of what is going on in the market, as well as tells you when it is a high probability scenario to be entering into a trade and when not, so that you can stay out of the market. That is how Proteus Ultra, MSTAT, and other ITM tools can be differentiated to other tools where you aren't really provided the information you desperately need to be able to understand why you are investing in what you're investing. Thank you.